Norwegian mass murderer Anders Breivik, who massacred 77 people in 2011, is back in court, this time demanding authorities change his prison conditions. Breivik is being held in strict isolation and is only allowed to meet with prison guards and medical personnel. Shani has more.
Norwegian mass killer Anders Behring Breivik raised his right arm in a Nazi salute on Tuesday as he arrived for his first day of the lawsuit he's bringing against the Norwegian state to change the conditions of his detention. It was considered too dangerous to hear the case in Oslo, and the court is sitting inside the prison's gymnasium.
Many think that this is a case that has been raised so that Breivik can return to the public eye and come with an explanation, but it is simply a case about his incarceration for the rest of his life. And that, in my opinion, is important to establish.
Breivik, a militant right-winger, killed 77 people in 2011 in a combined attack that included exploding a car bomb in Oslo and committing a massacre in a youth camp on Norwegian Utøya Island. He was sentenced to 21 years in prison, where he stays in a 3-room cell with a television and a computer, but no internet access. He's allowed out into a yard for exercise. Breivik is arguing that his isolation violates a ban on inhumane and degrading treatment under the European Convention on Human Rights, as well as depriving him of a right to a family life.
It appears that the Norwegian authorities' plan is that he, with regards to the seriousness of what he has been convicted of, will spend his whole life in prison under conditions similar to those under which he lives now, that is, imprisonment with relatively high security.
Tuesday's court appearance is the first time he has been seen in public since the trial in 2012. In that time, he has had just one visitor, his mother, who was allowed into prison shortly before she died of cancer in 2013.